Is Ukraine really ready for the next generation of drone warfare? Or is Russia outsmarting the battlefield with a strategy that's far more intelligent and organized? Mid-June 2025 marked a major shift in the Russia-Ukraine conflict, not just because of the sheer scale of drone attacks, but because Russia introduced something far more calculated, a massive swarm of Geranium kamikaze drones paired with something no one expected. A new reconnaissance drone that looks exactly like the Geranium, codenamed Gerbera. While Ukraine scrambled to hold the front line, Russia played a deeper game, one that's changing how modern war is fought. Here's the full story. On June 10th, over 300 Geranium drones, known internationally as Shahed 136, swarmed the skies over Kyiv, Chernihiv, and Odessa, and that was just the beginning. 1 week later, on June 17th, Russia launched its biggest drone and missile strike of the year. Over 440 drones, backed by 32 missiles, all in one night. Dozens were killed, energy grids, public buildings, and even hospitals were hit. But what's more alarming is how easily these low-tech drones broke through Ukraine's high-end air defenses, systems like NASAMS, Iris-T, and even Patriot batteries. So how is it possible? How does a cheap, slow-moving drone bypass some of the world's most advanced military tech? The answer? Gerbera.
Туда же прилетіло в корпус.
Unlike Geranium, Gerbera doesn't explode. It doesn't need to. It carries something far more dangerous, real-time intel. Gerbera looks almost identical to a Geranium, same silhouette, same sound signature, even equipped with radar reflective components to fool air defenses. But under the hood, it's different. This drone is fitted with a 3G, 4G modem and SIM card, allowing it to stream data live, reporting the location, altitude, and status of Ukrainian air defenses. That intel gets fed straight to Russian command centers. Within minutes, Geranium drones are launched in waves, flying exact paths that avoid detection and strike with terrifying precision. By the time Ukraine realizes an attack is underway, it's already too late. This isn't just about throwing drones at a target. This is a layered hybrid air war built on data and deception. Russia's tactic works in two phases. First, Gerbera recon drones scan for air defenses. Then, Geranium kamikaze drones launch along optimized routes to avoid interception. The result? Ukraine's radar and missile systems get overwhelmed, distracted, or simply miss their targets. Even when one drone is shot down, 3 more get through from a different angle. And while Ukraine's air defense is good, this strategy is just one step ahead. Ukraine is trying to adapt. They've introduced an AI-powered system called Sky Sentinel, which claims to intercept drones flying up to 800 kilometers per hour. It's promising, but it's new, and it's not everywhere yet. Meanwhile, Russia is producing 400 to 500 drones per day, with the potential to reach 1,000 per night. The sheer volume alone is a nightmare for Ukraine's limited stockpiles. Even worse, Much of Ukraine's defense still relies on Western shipments. When those shipments are delayed or limited, the sky becomes wide open. Let's be honest, Ukraine has shown courage, endurance, and global influence. But when it comes to tactical innovation on the battlefield, they're falling behind. Where's their version of Gerbera? Why aren't they deploying deception drones or layered recon like Russia? The truth is, Ukraine still leans heavily on foreign support, waiting on missile batteries from Europe or drone tech from the US. Meanwhile, Russia has gone local, building drones in domestic factories and experimenting fast. If Ukraine doesn't start developing its own adaptive tools, the advantage will continue to slip away. In a drone war, you don't need to be stronger, just smarter. Mid-2025 has shown us a glimpse of the future, a battlefield ruled not by tanks or jets, but by data-driven drones that can scout, adapt, and strike with pinpoint accuracy. Russia is proving that a swarm of cheap drones, paired with smart reconnaissance, can cripple even the best defense systems. Ukraine is holding on, but unless they match the pace of innovation, the next wave of drones could be even harder to stop. Are we witnessing the dawn of a new kind of warfare? And will Ukraine be able to catch up before the next swarm arrives? We'll be watching. This content is created solely for educational and informational purposes. It is intended to provide insights based on verified data, credible sources, and careful analysis. Our goal is to foster a deeper understanding of modern military technology and current events, not to promote or endorse any form of conflict, propaganda, or political agenda. We strictly oppose the spread of misinformation and hoaxes. Every piece of information presented has been carefully sourced from reliable, publicly available references. We encourage viewers to approach the topic with critical thinking and respect for all sides involved, maintaining a focus on knowledge sharing and open discussion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on military tech, global conflict, and defense strategies. This is Tapur Update, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp.